So 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. As we all know, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. But today I'm going to be showing you guys that 2 plus 2 can also be equal to 5. Okay? I want you guys to spot the place the mistake is at and comment this in the comment section below. First thing you have to agree with me on is that minus 20 is equal to minus 20. Okay? Now minus 20, we can write this minus 20 as 16 minus 36. And this is also equal to 25 minus 45. Okay, so this both of them are equal to minus 20. Now, moving on, 16 is equal to 4 squared. So 4 squared minus 36 is equal to 25 is 5 squared minus 45. Alright, now 36 and 45 are both factors of 9. So you can write 4 squared minus, this place you can have 4 times 9 to be equal to 5 squared minus, from here you can have what? 9, 5 times 9, alright? Now these two things are still equal, okay? If we add 4 times 9, 4 times 9 can also be the same thing as 4 times 2 times 9 over 2, okay? So 2 can strike 2 and you have 4 times 9, right? So you can go ahead and replace this with 4 squared minus 2 times 4 times 9 over 2 to be equal to the same thing here, 5 squared minus 2 times 5 times 9 over 2. Okay, add to both sides the square of this. Alright, so because it's equal, we can say we have 4 squared minus 2 times 4 times 9 over 2. Okay, now let's add square of 9 over 2. And we add the same thing on this side. Alright, now you are seeing that we've added the same thing here and here. Okay, at this point, let's say we had a minus b all squared. A minus b all squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so you can see that you have 2ab here. Okay, now let's compare this with this. 2ab, you have minus 2 times 4 times 9 over 2, and you have 4 squared and 9 over 2 squared. Hence, this whole thing can be rewritten as 4 minus 9 over 2 all squared, to be equal to the same on this side, 5 minus 9 over 2 all squared. Alright, we're getting somewhere now with this. Now, if you have a squared to be equal to b squared, it means that a is equal to b. Okay, so here we have that 4 minus 9 over 2 is equal to 5 minus 9 over 2. Okay, now let's add 9 over 2 to both sides. So we have 4 minus 9 over 2 plus 9 over 2 to be equal to 5 minus 9 over 2 plus 9 over 2. You have seen that 9 over 2 and 9 over 2 strike, so that we have that 4 is equal to 5. But you're required to show that 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. But we know that 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, right? So we have 2 plus 2 to be equal to 5. Okay? So we've shown that 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now you have to spot where I'm wrong. Cheers.